Well, we can write on that table and that with a marker.
So we're a school that works with one-on-one iPad with every student, and each of those students work in a very collaborative way, and they also work sometimes in a very personalised way. So we needed furnishing that allowed that personalisation of learning, we needed furnishing that allowed collaboration of learning. So we've now got this flexibility and versatility that we didn't have before.
This is our second year that we've had the furniture, and we found that it has been a really incredible opportunity for us to really engage our students on a whole nother level. Previously, when I first started at the school, we had very much sort of box desks that was very much focused having the kids face the front. There wasn't really opportunities for the kids to engage in learning in a dynamic way. It was very static, and having the furniture now has really encouraged a more collaborative approach. It's allowed us to use the space more flexibly.
The journey has involved a number of elements to it. We really looked at our furniture and recognised that the furniture needed to really change substantially to meet the pedagogical approach that we were taking. Architecture is last, and we look forward to doing that. But that journey has seen all those elements come together. So from the student's perspective, for the classroom innovation and the personalisation of learning, that furniture has just been magnificent.
The kids come to school ready to learn, absolutely engaged, and it does in turn then help with behaviour management because the kids are just so eager to engage in learning.
We've had grandparents and parents walk through, and the first thing they've noticed when they've walked into the room is how beautiful it looks, and they always comment on what the students are doing at their tables, because they could be writing on the table or they could be using them in ways that they never did, so it's always a comment that they make.
I think that the furniture really allows us to cater for all kids and how they best learn, which I think is the most amazing part of the product.
For Mount Sinai College, it's been a tremendous return on investment. You can't put a cost on the student engagement that we've noticed.